Spilling the tea on my lip care journey. Yes, you all know that I am always on the move. Traveling here and there makes my lips prone to dryness and pigmentation. So I came across this specialized lip care brand Alana and I happened to order their two-step kit and the results are unbelievable, which is why I made this video to share it with you guys. It comes with the world's first lip wash that I used daily and also use the lip brush once a week for gentle exfoliation. I then apply a thick layer of day lip butter mask. I am telling you, it's like a spa day for your lips. Try peptide magic for the collagen boost and voila, my lips are living the best life. Pink, lighter, and totally slaying it. Now, I no longer have to worry about the dry and dark lips. You can literally see the difference. It's a must use if you want healthy lips.